Hello dear students, today we are going to study a chapter What if it finishes. In this chapter we will understand about fossil fuel. We will also explain formation of petroleum under the earth and identify the renewable and non-renewable source of energy. Fossil fuel. Fossil fuel include petroleum, coal, natural gas. They are made from decomposition of plants and animals. These fuels are found in the earth's crust. In this picture, three types of fossil fuels are given. Coal. Coal is a solid fossil fuel. Petroleum. It is a liquid fossil fuel. Natural gas. It is a gaseous fossil fuel. Here you can see the picture of petroleum. What is petroleum? Petroleum, also called crude oil, is a fossil fuel. It is black or dark brown colored liquid. It forms from the remains of sea animals and plants. How it formed? When living things die, they sink to the sea bottom. Over millions of years, they form a thick layer. The layer can get buried under sand and rock. Pressure and high temperatures inside the planet change it into oil and natural gas. Refinery. Here you can see the picture of an oil refinery. Petroleum must be cleaned and purified. Then it must be separated into different substances. This process is called refining. The refining of petroleum is carried out in an oil refinery. Here we can see byproducts of petroleum. At different temperature and pressure, we obtain different byproducts from the crude oil petroleum. Some of examples are given here: liquefied petroleum gas, chemicals, petrol for vehicles, jet fuel, paraffin for lighting and heating, diesel fuels, lubricating oils, waxes, polishes, fuels for ships, factories and central heating, bitumen for roads and roofing. Coal. It is mostly made up of the element carbon. Coal is a fossil fuel. Natural gas. Like all fossil fuels, natural gas formed from the decomposing remains of animals and plants that lived millions of years ago. Non-renewable source of energy. Here we can see picture of some non-renewable energy sources. Non-renewable resources are natural resources that cannot be replaced after they are used. This means that they exist in a fixed or limited amount on earth. Once we use or burn these resources, they are gone forever. Fossil fuels, coal, nuclear, natural gas, these all are non-renewable energy sources. Renewable source of energy. A renewable source of energy is a resource which can be used repeatedly and replaced naturally. Renewable energy almost never runs out. Some of examples are wind energy, solar energy, hydro energy, geothermal energy, biomass. These all are examples of renewable source of energy. Now let us compare renewable resources with non-renewable resources. So let's discuss the definition. Renewable resources. Natural resources that can overcome the resource depletion due to consumption. Non-renewable resources. Resources that do not renew itself sufficiently for sustainable economic extraction in meaningful human time frames. Limit. it is in unlimited amount and it is in limited amount. Effect of environment. Mostly their usage is environmental friendly and non-renewable resources are harmful to the environment. Restrictions. It is convenient to use and non-renewable resources are restrictions in using these. Cost. Renewable resources are freely available in nature. On the other hand, non-renewable resources are expensive. Thank you and have a nice day.